It's your girl Hunchovb VB. Today I'm back with some pork chops. Don't these look good? My daughter got me some a rack of pork. She thought she was getting me a rack of lamb, so I had to cut these up. They're nice and fresh. Don't they look good? Okay, so I'm going to bread these pork chops and put them into the Ninja Foodie. I'm going to use just the Zatarain's chicken frying mix. And I saw Cooking with Doug use this seasoning. So I'm going to season the pork chops with this first, with the Himalayan pink salt. And then I'm going to put them over in the breading. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I have washed off my pork chops and patted them dry. Salt them down. Okay, so they're salted down. Let's get them over into the breading. Okay, so these look nicely breaded. Let's get them into the Ninja Foodie, and I'm going to spritz them with oil. Okay, I preheated the Foodie for 3 minutes. So let's get these over. I'm using the wire basket rack, rather the wire rack. Okay, they're in there. I'm going to spritz them with oil. I'm using I have avocado oil in here. Okay, I'm going to turn on the Foodie. I'm going to do TENDERCRISP. Temp is going to be 375. And I'm going to do 22 minutes. These are some thick chops. I'll flip them around 11 minutes. So let's get started. And I'll see you back in a few. Hey Google, set timer for 11 minutes.
Okay, 11 minutes. Starting now. Okay,
I'll let these go a full 22 minutes. I'm going to turn them over and see if I need to spray them on the other side. Let's see, these chops are almost 1 inch thick. So the cook time is going to definitely have to be longer. But let me see what it looks like on the other side. Okay, I flipped them over and I spritzed again with the oil. Let's see, I see a couple of spots that I missed. Okay, I'm going to go another 7 minutes. So we'll be right back. Okay, total cook time was 29 minutes. These were some thick chops, almost 1 inch thick. So let me check the internal temperature. Oh yeah, they're good and ready. Because the internal temperature should be at least 145, and we're going up. We're 160 something. Great. So these are good to eat. My, oh my, these look good. Can't you see the juices running out of the pork chop? They're too hot to taste now, but let them rest for a bit, and then we'll give it a taste test. You know, I probably didn't even need to bread these. They just look so juicy to me. Okay, be right back. Okay, let's give this a taste. Oh, look how tender the meat is. Look there, guys. Crunchy. And it's so tender. This pork chop is not dried out. This is good. This is really good. Yes. This is a winner here. Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace. And guys, I really like my Ninja Foodie. See you real soon. Peace.